Let's give it some throttle here. Whoa! Just, I don't have to tell you anything, just listen and look. Oh, this is insane. So hello people, this is Moscarblog and today I'm reviewing a great car. This is the Manhart SL700R based on the Mercedes-AMG SL63. And I've said in my SL63 review that the SL is lacking a little bit of power, so it competes with cars like the 911 Turbo and stuff, so it becomes a true supercar. And this is it. This is the SL700R. Just look at this beautiful front we have here. Everything's blacked out with these gold beautiful accents by Manhart. 4.0 V8 by turbo under the hood, 707 horsepower and 935 Newton meters of torque. And in this video I will show you the exterior, the interior, and then we will take it out for a drive. So stay tuned for the driving part. Let's start off at the front here. We have the beautiful Panamericana grille with the black Mercedes star here and these golden stripes by Manhart. Look at the stripe here also on the hood and the Manhart written on the windshield. This has such a crazy sound, this car, because we also have downpipes and an exhaust fitted to this. And with the roof down, it just sounds insane. At the front, also the gold accents here, the beautiful SL light, I really love it. The gold also here on the front splitter, and it just looks super aggressive. Just look at it here from the side, this SL700R. 22-inch wheels looking super crazy with this golden brake caliper and the gold surroundings also on the wheels. Really amazing touch. V8 by turbo, 4MATIC Plus badging of course, in this like dark shiny chrome as you can see, and the SL700R written here. Gold stripes also on the mirror, so exterior wise this is a 10 of 10. We've got the edition one striping in gold by Manhart. They've made this, not AMG, and looks wise this is a 10 out of 10. This is such a beautiful, insane looking car. Just look at this thing when we step back a little bit. It just looks so amazing. Just look at it. So let's move on to the side now, then to the back, and then talk you through the inside. But before we check out the side and the back, let's check out the engine under this hood here. So look at it. This is the beautiful engine cover by Manhart in this gold and black. Just look at it, 700 horsepower from this thing, 707 to be exact, and 935 Newton meters. This looks so good and it just suits the exterior design perfectly. So people, let's now open up the roof of the Manhart SL700R, the Sl63 Amg. If we press the lock button long enough, it will start opening itself. And then after that, we will check out the beautiful back of this car. Look how this car is now lifting the roof, lifting the top. And it looks so much better without the top. Just look at it here from far away. It looks so mean. Manhart did a great job on the styling of this. So let's now move on to the back. So people, moving on to the side of the SL700R from the back, look at these beautiful 22-inch wheels. The golden accents also here. On the whole diffuser, Manhart hasn't changed the exhaust tips because they look perfect already. Golden stripe here also over the spoiler. This is how it looks from the back with the roof open, and this is how the back looks. We can also open the spoiler up. It's automatically when you're driving, or you can press a button to open it up. And this is how the back of it looks. Black logos here, the black Mercedes star, and a beautiful rear with these beautiful lights. I just love the SL from the back. So let's now jump inside and I'll talk you through the inside. So people, this is the inside of the Manhart SL700R. Nothing has changed apart from the Manhart floor mat here with the beautiful gold. So let's now jump inside, I'll talk you through the SL and let's see what it is. So people, this is the interior of the Manhart SL700R. As you can see, beautiful leather seats, we know them out of the SL. The SL screen here, which also is tiltable for the sun. As you can see here, we can press this button and then it's tiltable. We can press the home screen here and then we will have every information we know. Our media, our AMG settings even. Just look how beautiful this thing looks here with the AMG setting. And we can also adjust like the G-forces here, how much we're using of the pedal and the brake, and we can also change it to the engine, see our engine data, the Newton meter, the horsepower, and even the consumption. So it has a lot of features and it's so great, this SL63, which the Manhart SL700R is based on. So people, let's get a sound check and then take it out for a drive with the roof opened. So people, let's now get a sound check of the Manhart SL700R. It's way louder than the stock SL63, which is loud already. let's now jump inside and take it for a drive. So let's now take the SL700R for a drive. You can instantly hear how loud this thing is. Just listen. It has such a growly tone. It has such a growly tone to it, and we are in the comfort mode right now. It's so loud already. It's clearly an upgrade to the normal SL63, and I can't wait to test it in the Sport Plus really soon here. It's so loud. It's just so loud. And what I have to tell you is, it feels like a normal car. It doesn't feel tuned. It's just louder and faster. It feels really well made. Not making any problems while shifting or stuff like this. It's just a louder, more brutal SL-AMG. And this is exactly what you want. Manhart are building 10 of these, the SL700R. This is a 1 of 10. So make sure to get yours quick. So people, let's now put it into the Sport Plus and listen to it here, because now it has pops and bangs. And let's see how it drives in the Sport Plus. What has improved and how much power it has. Whoa! This is a lot of power. Oh my god. With the open roof, I'm hearing literally everything. This is so loud in here. Wow! These downpipes are crazy. So let's listen to it here under this bridge. Oh my god! What? Oh my god, what a sound! This is so much louder than the C63 Black Series everyone loves. This is so much louder than that. Oh my god. So let's give it some throttle here to overtake. Oh, did you hear the blow off? It's insane, this car, ladies and gentlemen. It's so fun to drive. Oh my god, this is perfect. Wow, the noises. You can clearly feel that this has more power than the SL63, the normal one. You can feel the power boost, and this sound is what makes this car perfect. Because the normal SL didn't really compete with cars like the 911 Turbo. It was like too weak to compete with them, but this one here is absolutely insane. This one is way cooler than them. So people, let's give it some throttle here. Whoa! This is crazy! Oh my god, and there's a little bridge, so wait for the downshift. This will be really loud. This car is out of this world, ladies and gentlemen. This is a true supercar, and it's just, I don't have to tell you anything, just listen and look. Oh, this is insane. Wow. And even when you are driving normal, it sounds so masculine, just listen. Yeah, and there's another bridge here, so. These are the loudest bangs ever. Whoa! It feels like 700 horsepower. It is so fast, and the sound is insane, ladies and gentlemen, just insane. Just wait for the Autobahn video. After this, they will drop an Autobahn video, so make sure to check it out and don't miss it. This is the craziest SL I've ever driven. It's so loud. It's just insane. So people, this was my review of the SL700R. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.